Hi, in my previous video, you learned how to upload a PDF file in Firebase, and today in this video, you will learn how to retrieve the PDF file from Firebase and display in list view. So let's start. First, open your activity main.xml, and here we add one button. Now we create one empty activity. In this activity, we are creating to display the PDF file in list view. Now open activity retrieve PDF files.xml. Here we place one list view. Now open retrieve PDF. First we get the reference of list view from XML file by using find view by ID. Now we declare database reference and create one list. Now we create one method to retrieve the PDF files. So this method will help us to retrieve all the PDF files that we store in the Firebase. So first we use database reference. And here we pass the path. Open your Firebase console, click on real-time database. So here you can see our path name is upload PDF. Here we pass upload PDF. Now we call one event, add value event listener. Now inside onDataChange method, we create one for loop, and this for loop will help us to retrieve all the PDF file from the Firebase. Here we get the data by using putPDF class. Now add this data inside a list. Now outside this for loop, we create one array of type string. Now we create one for loop that will help us to fetch the name of PDF file. As you can see in the put PDF, we create one method get name that will help us to get the name of our PDF files. Now click on retrieve PDF. After fetch a name from the Firebase, we set this name in list view. So here we create one array adapter. and here we pass our array. Now we want to display our name in text view. So here we create one method, one override method, get view. And inside this method, we create one view. And create one text view. And then set text color. Set text size. And return view. After this, we set the adapter. And here we pass our array adapter. Now click on activity main.xml and create retrieve PDF method in main activity. When I click on button, it will display the all PDF file in other activity. So now run the project. So when I click on retrieve PDF file, it displays 3 files. Open your Firebase console. Here you can see I've stored 3 files in Firebase. The name of my first PDF file is MSF percentage 3A158. Second is second name PDF and third is third PDF. So here you can see 3 PDF. So when I click on the PDF file, it will display the PDF files. So open your Android Studio, retrieve PDF.java. So here we will work on set on item click listener. To show all the PDF file, here we use intent and set the type. And here we pass our URL. Now run the project. So I'm going to click on retrieve PDF file, and here when you click on the PDF file, you choose Chrome, and our file is downloaded in a local storage. Here you can see our file is downloaded. Click on open. Here you can see the PDF file. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.